I got my electric bike from electricbikeparadise.com, and it's an awesome bike. It has lights and there's a gear change and it has pedal assist. It has like everything you could want from an electric bike. And it's also very cute, so you should go there and check it out.
With free shipping, lowest prices guaranteed, fast delivery and no sales tax, it's easy to see why Electric Bike Paradise is the leading electric bike retailer online. So shop our selection of e-bikes now at electricbikeparadise.com or reach us at 800-590-2738 and talk to our sales specialist, available from Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.